Hey folks, Dan Frio here with your real estate update for February 7th, 2024. What we're going to go over today is the economic news like we do on a daily basis, where interest rates are like we do on a normal basis. But since there's really not a lot of juicy information out there, I wanted to present a brand new program that we have available to you guys. So this program that we're going to talk about here briefly in a moment is a $10,000, yes, $10,000 in down payment assistance for you guys. So we actually created a website to help you guys navigate to see if you qualify. So let's get over to the news for today, and then after that I'm going to show you that website that we just created. So right here is what you're seeing on the screen is the top 6 programs people use when they're buying their first house. These are the mortgage rates, but what makes up these rates? Are these the rate that you would get? Well, let's answer some of these questions. Mortgage News Daily surveys lenders all over the country, and they ask them these 5 questions. So if your answers are yes to all 5 of these questions, then that's probably your mortgage rate. So what are the 5 questions? Well, are you looking to buy your first house? Is it a single family home? And is it's going to be your primary home? You might be like, Dan, that's me. Okay, there's 2 more pieces of that puzzle. One is you need a 780 credit score. Then you need 25% down. Well, that's to qualify for these rates. Do you need a 780 credit score? Do you need 25% down? No. So if you'd like some help on seeing if you qualify in today's market, I'll give you all my information at the end of this video so you can reach out to me. My name is Dan Frio. I'm a licensed mortgage advisor, licensed in all 50 states as well as Puerto Rico. I'd love to help you. So without further ado, let's get over to the data that we have to cover for today. So the main piece of this is I go over the economic news. Well, there's really none today, and unfortunately Bloomberg's economic calendar is down for some reason this morning. So this is actually the website that I use on a daily basis to control or figure out what news is coming in, what's going on with mortgage rates, what's the 10-year Treasury bond doing, is there any updated news right through here, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So as you can see right through here, there's really no juicy news out for today, and the mortgage rates are up just a little bit, and that's representative right here. And I'll get to that after this brief introduction to our $10,000 grant program that's being offered starting this week. So what you need to do is I'm going to put this URL down below. This is a website that we created to figure out, do you qualify for this program? Now I know it says $5,250. That's what it was just last week. This number has been upgraded to $10,000. Yes, $10,000 to help you guys qualify in today's market. So what do you need to do? Well, you scroll down through here, and what you're going to do is you're going to answer some of these questions. So in this scenario, I'll just go through it briefly, and you can do this on your own. I'm putting in here, well, I'm a first-time home buyer. I'm buying it by myself. I go down through here. Am I in any of these qualified areas? Well, I am in Chicago in the Naperville area, so I clicked yes. Scroll down a little further. You're going to say through here, what is my credit score? If you don't know your credit score, I actually have a link to your FICO credit scores down below. What you can do is your FICO credit score is the credit scores that your lenders use when they're qualifying you for a mortgage. So if you don't know what your FICO score is, I have a link down below there. You can order it and figure out what that credit score is. But in this case, I'm going to answer, I got a 620 credit score or higher. Are you a first-time home buyer? Yes, I am. And are you on a mortgage of any other house? And no, I'm not. So if you answer any other way than these questions are asking right through here, you're going to get an error, and it's going to say you don't qualify. But let's go down through here, and here's the tricky part. You need to figure out where you live. Okay, there's a tool right here. You can go to the census geocoder. You can figure out where you are there, or I just went down through here. You can click a button down at the bottom. It'll give you all the geocodes for where you live. You can copy and paste it right into this area right through here. So I copied and pasted it in there, and now what the results are, it says you qualify. So you should be able to qualify based on this information. Now, there might be information out there that you didn't answer here. Maybe you had a bankruptcy recently. Maybe you had a foreclosure recently. Other things that might not qualify you for this program. But basically, answering these questions, you're probably 80% of the way there. What do you do next? Well, you just hit get pre-qualified. You're going to click that, and you're going to go right over to Kyle Seagraves of Win the House You Love. He's one of our partners, and you're going to ask some questions through here, or answer some questions through here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to assign you to a mortgage specialist that specializes in exactly what you're looking for. That's the best way to navigate this system. So let's go back to the news for today. I want you guys to understand next is where mortgage rates are going. So the only thing this is going to be real brief. What I follow on a daily basis to figure out what mortgage rates are going is right here. This is an MBS. What it is a mortgage-backed security. It's a bond that trades on Wall Street. The yield on this thing is the biggest component of your mortgage rate. So what we follow is the price of the bond. What's going on with the price? So all you need to know is this. In its simplest terms, if the price is going down, rates are going up. If the price is going up, rates are coming down. There's a yin yang or a reverse effect. So today a -6 is really nothing. So we're going to see rates flat today, and that's basically my news for today. So check out our grant program that was just launched. Love to see if you qualify for that. And if you want to find out more about me and my team, go to therateupdate.com. This is where you can actually just come to us directly and apply for a loan here or reach out to us. How do you do that? Well, we got an apply now button right up through there. You can use that. Or if you scroll down to the bottom of our web page, you're going to see two other ways to reach out to us. One is our 800 number, which is 844-775-LOAN. And the next is my email address. This is me. And yes, I will be the one replying back to your emails personally. So that's it for today, guys. We do have a special guest. We have Mike from Altos Research, and he has a system that you can use to figure out what is your neighborhood doing. This is a great tool for realtors because when people say, hey, the market's going to crash or the market's not doing this, you can go into Altos Research and you're going to find out all the information today on how much data, how much actual factual data you can get on your market area to show that to your borrowers or your home buyers, to show them, is the market actually in a good financial position or not? So that's our report for today, and that live event is today at 2:30 Central Standard Time. Love to have you there. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you haven't yet been subscribed to my channel, you can do that right over there. So thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.